Okay guys, I got my Harbor Freight press here, and what I'm going to try to do is to press this bearing onto this axle here for my Autolite starter machine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this piece of 1-inch pipe here with a cap on it right over that bearing, and then I'm going to start to press it down, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to tighten up my screw here, put this handle in, and we'll give it a shot. Let's see. See if I can get this lined up a little nicer. Okay, I got it lined up real nice. And let's see. Oh yeah, that works awesome. Look at that. Perfect. Took a whole 30 seconds. That is the bomb. Now I gotta take it out and press one on the other side. Now we'll try to do the other side. We'll do the same exact thing. I might have to raise this up a little bit. Now I've got it all lined up for the other bearing, bearing number 2. Let's see how this one goes on. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Perfect. Oh, this thing is real nice. So I'm going to release the jack pressure now. Just loosen that off and up it will go. Let's see, I'll lock this back in again. The handle back in the jack. Pull off the pipe. Pull this sucker out and whammo. 2 bearings pressed right on this little axle, and she's ready to roll. That was awesome.